Alright guys, welcome to the new video on my channel. And if for some reason on your Hisense TV you have your remote control that does not work for some reason, maybe it's broken, maybe you need to change the battery, I don't know, maybe you lost it completely and you need to turn on your TV or turn it off or restart it or put it to sleep, well, I will show you how to do it without the remote control. Okay, so I'll put it on the table. Now what you want to do is you want to come closer to your TV, and here I have a little tiny plant. Okay, so here at the bottom of your Hisense TV you'll find a tiny little button behind the LED sensor. Okay, it's right behind, it's kind of hidden, so but you will find it, you'll be able to touch it with your finger and you will notice that there is a button. If you tap it once like that, it puts your TV into the kind of fast restart. Okay, we tap it once again and you see it kind of does some quick restart and goes back. Okay, but if you want to turn it off, what you need to do is you need to press it once, and then you see on this tiny kind of section with settings, and these are the sources. But if you go slightly down with each press I make, I'm going down lower and lower until we reach this power off. So once I reach that, I don't want to touch it anymore, I just leave it and then it turns off. Okay, now if I want to turn it on, back, what I need to do is to tap it once. Don't hold it, just tap it once. Boom. Okay, and it goes to turn on just like that. Okay, so if you guys found it helpful, well, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.